and you are watching SBTL webcasts. Today we are enough fortunate that we can understand human anatomy using tools of virtual dissections, simulated dissections on computers. But imagine a period of almost 6 to 7 centuries earlier when there weren't resources available. Unfortunately, even resources like electricity were also not available. In that period, people like Andreas Vesalius contributed. Our understanding of diseases, human diseases today, is largely based upon the foundation laid by these people in past.